Duale that through the African Union security architecture, it was designed to set up standby regional forces, East African standby force, West African, Central Africa, Southern Africa, and so on, for rapid deployment in helping deal with security concerns within those regions. Now, the East African one has not quite taken off because of budgetary issues and other things. As defense minister, how are you going to engage Parliament to give you a budget line, and how are you going to convince other defense ministers in the region to do the same so that we can actualize this force that can help deal with security challenges in our neighbors that have challenges like South Sudan, Somalia, and others? The second and last, during recruitment, and these members of Parliament may attest to this, we see some very unhealthy discrimination processes. If you are short, you can't go to the army. We see recruits being asked to open their mouths and see whether one tooth is missing, or if you have discolored teeth, or things, or if you have a scar on your back, things that really have no bearing in your capacity to act as a military officer. How are you going to deal with this? Because if a child at birth had a scar and has grown through life, gone to school properly, why should that scar be a deterrent in joining the army?